Today I'm going to show you how you can put graphics in your Word program and use them for your crafting projects. It's really easy, and I also have all kinds of graphics in my Etsy store that you can also purchase, and it's really easy to put in your Word program, size them up, and print them out for your projects. So I'm going to show you today how you can do that using either your own graphics or the graphics that you can purchase from my Etsy store. And it's a really simple technique within your Word program. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And also, if you want to, I'll put the link down below to my Etsy store. I have all kinds of graphics in there for every occasion, every holiday, and I'm always adding every week. So head over, check that out, but make sure you use the code SAVE50 because you'll get 50% off of all of my graphics. They work out to, I think, around 50 cents a piece. You get 3 files, and I'm going to show you today those 3 different files and how you can use them. And one of the files is already reversed, and that's the main question that I've gotten from a lot of people. How do I reverse my graphics? If you grab them out of my Etsy store, one of the files are already reversed. All you have to do is put it into your Word program, size it up, and use it. Or I'll also show you, if you have one of your own graphics, how to put it in your Word program and reverse it. So hang tight, let's get at it. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek here of my Etsy shop where I have all these graphics in here. And like I said before, each graphic comes with 3 files. You're getting your JPEG, your PNG, and your PNG reversed. If you are not confident with making your own graphics, this kind of makes it a little bit easier for you. Look through, see if there's something that you like. This is one of my most popular ones, and you can use it for decoupaging, iron-on transfer, reverse graphic method. There's so many possibilities what you can do, and just make sure that you use the code SAVE50 because you'll get 50% off of my entire store. Okay, so I am going to show you how you can add graphics to size them for your crafting projects, and also how to reverse them. The first thing you want to do is go to a blank document, and then you're going to insert a picture from this device. And I have some saved right here in my downloads. I'm going to pick my strong coffee graphic that I made and show you how to size it. Now, once it's in this, in here, you're going to right click, and then you're going to go to wrap text behind text. And that's going to allow you to move your graphic around and size it easily. Now, I'm in Canada, so I have centimeters on my ruler here on the side and on the top. If you're in the States, you'll have it in inches. So you're going to measure your project, and then you're going to size it to the size that you need for your project. And that's all there is to it. To size it to the exact size that you need. You can make it the whole size of the paper, or you can make it smaller, just depending on what you're working for or working on. And when it's all ready, you're just going to go up to File, and then you're going to hit Print, and then you can print off your graphic. Okay, so we're going to go back to home, and I'm going to do a blank graphic. Now, if you grab some graphics out of my Etsy store, you're going to get 3 files, a JPEG, a PNG, and a PNG reversed. So I'm just going to bring up PNG reversed of that strong coffee graphic and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's already reversed for you. So if you're going to do the Mod Podge reverse graphic transfer, it's good to go. And you're going to right click, wrap text behind text. That allows it to move everywhere all over the page. And then you're going to size it again to your project size that you need it. And then you can go up to File and get ready to print it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can reverse your own graphics. If you have a graphic that you've already made and you're struggling to figure out how to rotate it or reverse it, you're just going to go and grab your graphic. I'm going to grab this one here, and you can see it's not reversed yet. So we're going to, I'm going to show you how to reverse it. First thing you're going to do, wrap text behind text. That will allow your graphic to move everywhere you need it to. Size it to what size you need for your project. And then see this little triangle up here? You're going to click on it, and you're just going to click flip horizontal.
And now your graphic is reversed for you. It's that simple. You can go back and you can flip it. So whatever type of project you're doing, whether you need it reversed or you don't need it reversed, this is how you can do it. You can also go up to layout where it says layout, and see here where it says rotate. You can also click there, flip horizontal, and that will flip your graphic right over there too. Okay, so I'm going to cut this one out. And I also have a picture that I took of our little dog, our little Yorkie dog, Tina. And I'll show you how you can reverse it too. So we're going to go into the device, and here's the picture that I just took. Downloaded it onto my computer, and here she is. So if I'm going to do the reverse graphic transfer method and I want to put this picture on a piece of wood and do that method, you need to also flip it. Otherwise, your photo will be backwards when you put it on your project. You're going to wrap text behind text. That's going to allow you to move it wherever you need it to. You're going to size it down to the size of your project using your rulers to measure it. You can also, there we go. That's probably good. And then you're just going to go up to this triangle here, the flip horizontal, and it's that easy. Or you can also go up to layout, click on layout, and your rotate is right there. And it's that simple. You can go up here, you can go to print, and your photo is ready to print for your project.
Okay, and this is the graphics printed out after I put them in the Word program and size them up. This one is reversed, ready for the reverse Mod Podge graphic transfer method. And then this is the right way and then the reversed way. And that's ready to go on 2 different projects. This one you can use to decoupage with, and this one you can do the reverse graphic transfer method. And then our cute photo of Tina. And that one can be used as either your reverse graphic transfer method or just to decoupage. And these are just a few of the projects that I've done with the different methods. This was a reverse graphic transfer method. Instead of using the Mod Podge, I used a polyacrylic sealer on this to do the transfer, and it works great if you want to keep the wood a natural color. I have tutorials on my channel of all these different techniques. You can go back through my playlist, check them out, and see which one you like the best and give it a try. This is just a scrap piece of wood that I did the reverse graphic transfer method on, an anniversary for a friend. And then this, I love this one. And this graphic is also in my Etsy store. And it is just a little tabletop that I found at a thrift store. I took the legs off and used the top to make a beautiful print for the wall. And reverse graphic transfer method also. So head down to my description, to the playlist that I'll put down there. See what method you like the best. Give it a try. Now you know how to reverse your graphics if you make your own, or you can grab some out of my Etsy store and give them a try and get crafting.
Thanks so much for watching today's video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love to read them. I'll be sharing so many more DIY, thrifting, repurposing videos, so if you aren't already following along, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload my next video. See you real soon. Take care and have a great day.